Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about LayerZero Airdrop. So you all know already we made a video about a LayerZero. Okay, so in case if you haven't watched this video, first you go inside my channel and watch this video. Okay, this video is about LayerZero Airdrop. So make sure to watch this video and come back here and watch this video so that you will know what are the things you need to do in order to get eligible for the LayerZero Airdrop. Now if you check CoinMarketCap, you can see LayerZero token. Okay, so they're going to bring their token. It's been confirmed. So this means like if they provide any sorts of airdrop, we will be getting it. And if you want to increase the chance of getting the airdrop, what and all you have to do is I've already explained in this video, so that's why I told you watch this video. And in this video you can use the new bridge. Okay, so we are going to see how to increase the volume. Okay, the reason is if you increase the volume, so you will be eligible for the airdrop. Okay, so using this platform, the platform name is abracadabra.money. So here we're going to use the bridge and we're gonna send MIM stablecoin from one chain to another chain. By doing so, we are increasing the transaction in LayerZero. Okay, so that's what we're going to see in this video. So before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys and hit the like button and continue watching it. By clicking that like button means a lot to me. And this is my Telegram channel where I'll be actively posting all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details, and any update here only I'll be posting it. Okay, so make sure to follow me in my Telegram channel in order to get the time sensitive information. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, now what we are going to do is we're going to use this platform like I already told you, and we're gonna bridge some MIM stablecoin from one chain to another chain. By doing so, we are increasing the transactions. Okay, so I'll show you. So before that, you must have some balance in your wallet. So I'm gonna use $100. Okay, so $100 as a capital. I'm gonna use this platform. So first you need to send some amount in USDT BSC chain. Okay, so send from Binance. Okay, so here you can see I've already sent 121 USDT from Binance here. Okay, and now what you need to do, click on this thing. Okay, so in your MetaMask itself you will be able to find that. So once you click on that, it will take you here, and here what you need to do is click on this swap, and we're going to swap this USDT for MIM stablecoin. Okay, so here just select this and choose USDT, and then here you need to select MIM token. Okay, so MIM, just select that, and now we're going to swap this USDT to this MIM stablecoin. Okay, so I'm gonna swap $100, exactly $100 I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna click get quotes. So now here you can see the fees. Okay, so we're going to spend the maximum fee here, $0.73. so I'm just gonna click approve, and then MetaMask will pop up. We have to do the transaction, so just scroll down, click approve, and here you can see the transaction got submitted and we need to wait for the approval. And now click on swap, click on confirm. Okay, so once you click confirm, it will be successfully transferred from there to here. So now here you can see the transaction got confirmed and it's successfully transferred from there to here. So we'll see how many MIM we got. Okay, so just select MIM. So if you select MIM, here you can see 99.09 MIM token we got it here. Okay, that means stablecoin only. So again we will be able to convert it in the same way. I'll show it in the end of the video. And now what you have to do is head back to this platform. I'll leave this link also in the description. So now we need to connect the wallet first. Okay, so just click MetaMask and connect the wallet. So once your wallet got connected, now the MIM token is right now in the BSC chain. Okay, so from BSC chain we're going to transfer it into Polygon chain. Okay, so I'm gonna click maximum and I'm gonna click this beam. So now once you click on the beam, your MetaMask will pop up, and now we have to confirm it in our MetaMask. Okay, so once it got open, just click confirm, and now here you can see your transaction overview. Okay, so now from Binance chain it's converting Polygon, and now click on this LayerZero. Okay, it will take you to another page, and here you can see the transaction. Okay, so this is like a LayerZero scan, like how there is Ether scan is there and BSC scan is there. Okay, so like that, this is a LayerZero scan, and here we can get to see all our transaction. Okay, and if you click that, right now is searching, and now you can see in the LayerZero scan, it's currently pending. Okay, the status is here. You can check the transaction is happening. ERC20 token transferred from here to there, and 99.09 MIM stablecoin. Okay, so this is where you will get the data about LayerZero. Okay, so come back here, and we need to wait for a while. So once it transferred from here, you can see the transaction got completed now. So if you go and check here, you can see it's delivered. So like this only we have to do. Okay, so once you successfully transfer from this chain to this chain, now we're gonna do from Polygon to some other chain. Okay, so just click on this thing, and then we're going to change the network. Okay, and now we're going to transfer this MIM stablecoin from Polygon chain to some other chain. Okay, so this is what you have to do. And if you want to check where you stand now, so use this platform. Okay, so just copy your contact address and paste it here. On top you can see ZK sync also there, scroll is also there. Okay, and the LayerZero you need to select, and then just click get data. So if you click get data, you'll be able to see where you stand. Okay, so you'll be able to see your live data about your wallet and go global ranking. So my ranking is so far, because overall bridged amount was just $60 only, so we have to increase this bridged amount. Okay, so in order to, like for example, if you use $1,000 and all, your bridged amount will be so higher, and then your global ranking will be reduced. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to actively every single day come inside this platform, or use this MIM, or so many other things are there. Okay, so already I have shown in this video also. Watch this video and try out those method too. Okay, there are plenty of other ways to increase your transaction. If you want me to make a separate video for how you can grind for getting more transaction, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a separate video for that one. And as of now, use this abracadabra.money in order to bridge this stable coin from one chain to another chain. Since it's stable coin, we are not using much money in the fee, guys. You gotta spend money in the fee. That's when you will be eligible for the future airdrop. Okay, so that's how they are choosing people and all. So if you use higher fund, like more than $1,000, it will increase your chance for getting the airdrop for sure. Okay, and one more thing is, like once you successfully done all the bridging, no, every single day bridge it from one chain to another chain. And once you finally, if you want to withdraw your money from this MIM stablecoin, no, so again head back to your portfolio.metamask.io. so here click on this swap. Once you click on the swap, as of now our MIM token is in Polygon chain, so I'm just gonna select MIM, and going to select the MIM. Once you select the MIM, you will be able to see your balance here, and then just click on this and then just click, so and then now select USDT. So now if you select the MIM and respective token is USDT, and you are using Polygon, okay, so in Polygon only our token is available. And now if you just click get quote, your MIM will be transferred from here to here, and then you can transfer this USDT from your wallet to Binance exchange or wherever you got the USDT. Okay, so it's very simple process only. So try this more than like every single day, so that you will be eligible for the airdrop in the. So that's it guys. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys.